Good morning, guys. We're talking exponential notation that you saw in your previous video. So I'm going to show you how to multiply using exponents. So here we have two different examples, 3 times 10 to the third power and 32 times 10 to the fourth power. So let's deal with this one first. So if you remember, our exponent tells us how many zeros we need in our base number. So here we have 10 to the third power. So with our base, we're going to have 3 zeros. So this problem is actually, if I write it here, it's 3 times 1,000, where we have our 3 zeros in our base, which is equal to 3,000. Here it's the exact same concept. We have 32 times 10 to the fourth power. So we have our 32, and we're going to multiply here with our base number. It has 4 zeros, which gives us 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, which gives us an answer of 320,000. We're here again. I'm going to show you how to take this number and write it in exponential notation. Our number is 5,234. And the first way we want to write this is in addition, as an addition expression. So what we want to do is we want to take this number and be able to show the value of each digit. So here we have our 5, which is in the thousands place. So it's 5,000 plus our 2 in the hundreds place, so 200, plus 3 in the tens, which is 30, plus 4 in the ones place, which is 4. So that's our number written in exponential notation using an addition expression. Our next one is the sum of a multiplication expression with the powers of 10. Well, we already have talked about with the powers of 10, we know we have our ones place, which is 1, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, so on and so on. So those are our powers of 10. But the part that be tricky is where it says sum of multiplication expression. So what we want to do is we want to refer back to this where we had our addition expression, but we're also going to use it with multiplication. So here, instead of writing 5,000, we have 5 times 1,000 plus, and then we move to our hundreds place, which is 2 times 100 plus, now we're in our tens, 3 times 10 plus, and now we're in our ones place, 4 times 1. Okay? And our very last way is something similar to this one, where it says sum of the multiplication expressions with exponents, powers of 10, where we've already discussed our powers of 10, and we've also discussed where it says sum of the multiplication expression. But what's going to make this one a little different is the fact that we're going to use exponents instead. So if we think about exponents, our exponent tells us how many zeros we need in our base. So here, instead of 5 times 1,000, we're going to have 5 times 10 to the third power, because it tells us how many zeros we need to add to our base. So here we have 2 times 10 to the second power, because we have 2 numbers in our base. Here is 3 times 10 to the first power. And remember here, because we don't have any zeros, it is 4 times 10 to the 0 power.